Holy crap, guys. Talk about pain in the market today. Almost all of my stocks are red. Anything I've got on my watch list is pretty much red. This is really starting to feel like a market crash to me. If you guys wouldn't mind, smash the heck out of that like button and let's get into this.
Alright guys, let's take a look at this. There was major pain in the market today. I am down 330 today and then another basically 93 in the after hours. Ouch, ouch, ouch. That hurts. That does not feel good. And yeah, with everything I've got on my watch list, it sure looking like a little bit of a market crash to me.
Every single thing on my watch list is red today. Even the cryptos. Even the cryptos are red.
I mean, what do we got? We got Ethereum at 40, almost 42, so that's good. It's taking a little run back up, but let's take a look at old Tesla here. Tesla's down to what, 584 and 35 right now. That hurts. I bought in yesterday at 585 and 62 because saw that in the pre-market and I thought I was getting a heck of a deal. But yeah, I don't know that I was getting a heck of a deal. Because yeah, I'm getting a little nervous. If you go and look back here, just a year ago we were trading at, you know, under 200. So I'm starting to get a bit nervous that I might lose my butt on it. Take a big old bite out of my pocket. But yeah, over the past year, Tesla is up 419. But I'll kind of give you guys a quick rundown of how I kind of value my stocks, just at a 30,000 foot view, a way overview, just a quick rundown of how I value my stocks. So I'll look back at the year and the 3 month and kind of see what they're doing. If you look here, over the year, obviously they're up 253%, which is excellent. I do think we I don't know. I kind of feel like that's a little superficial, but you know, you jump back back to 2019, end of 2019, it was under $100 a share. So I'm starting to get pretty darn nervous about yeah, it's been way overvalued. I mean, I've gotten blindsided thinking that, you know, 700 to 750 was the new range for it for a bit, but and it very well could be. You know, we don't know what's happening. Kind of hard to tell. You know, watch all these people that are quote unquote professionals, and you know, they always say our prediction, or they're just guessing. They're just guessing like anybody else. But you know, they've got a little better educated guess. But I mean, yeah, back here, January 8th, it was at 880, almost $900 a share. So it got a pretty good pump there from November, where it was at 429. So old Tesla's had a pretty good run up right there, and I think we're going to kind of get I think we're probably going to get a little bit of a range bound. I don't really know that we'll go below this level here, you know, bouncing around with in between like 350 to 450. I would say that's probably kind of a range we might see get stuck in for a bit. But yeah, this is kind of starting to feel like a bit of a market crash to me, because the past couple of days have been red, and I think this was the old, yep, this is March of 2020, the downslide right there. It was at a high of 180. We dropped down to 85 there, 85 and a half. So that was the you know what down drop. Yeah, so I think we're going to get pretty range bound right about this area here. But I mean, not too long ago, we were trading under $100. So we'll jump back over to Luminar and I'll show you guys that. I've got some calls in Luminar that are expiring soon, and I'm up on the one, down on the other. Yeah, Luminar's trading at 1935 today. It's kind of straddled today, which isn't too bad, but if you jump back at the 1 year, I mean, we had if I remember right, it didn't get put on Robinhood until December of 2020. So that's kind of partially this run up you're seeing here. But then it's just kind of done that number there and dropped back down. So it IPO'd at 980 on March 25th of 2019. So, and this little blip, little teeny tiny blip here was that was the March drop of 2020. So it didn't really affect it much. It lost, what, 60 cents there? And yeah, it had a good run up right there in September, and then it got listed on Robinhood, and now it's dumping. So in my opinion, what is that level right here? About 17. I think we're probably going to see a range on it if it winds up getting range bound for a bit. I'll bet we'll see like 1350 to, I don't know, 1750, 1850, something like that. I feel pretty confident in saying it'll get caught in a range right in this area here. But with it being, a fairly new company and fairly new to like Robinhood and the retail investors like you and me, it's fairly new, so I think it'll probably get range bound here, and I'm pretty heavily weighted in it as far as my portfolio goes, but I'm gonna buy the dip here. I'm gonna keep buying. This ain't gonna keep me from buying. And the way I see it is it's just getting it on sale. I mean, you got Coinbase down at 270. I think I saw it at like, I think it was 260 something yesterday morning. So I mean, we've had a bit of pain in the markets for about the past week. So yeah, it's getting a little crazy here, and it's starting to really feel like a crash. But yeah, anyways, that's how I do that.
And with that, if you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Check out my Patreon page listed in the description below. Drop me a comment, let me know what you think of this video. And with that, I will catch you guys on the next one.